Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a great show for you today, guys. We got a very important show for you today, guys. So how y'all doing? Welcome everybody from all streaming platforms. I am restreaming pretty much everywhere, so there is no excuse not to follow the show. We got a great show for you today, guys. So make sure that you pay attention because we're going to be talking about something very, very, very important. On the last live stream, I was talking to you guys about the major fuck up that Ledger was doing with all the crypto assets. If you guys have a Ledger device, stick around because I'm going to be giving you some other options that you can use, because let me tell you right now, I am definitely getting my shit out of the Ledger device. And I would explain why. I used to be a major promoter for Ledger. I never had an issue with Ledger until now. So I'm going to be giving you guys some options later on down the road. So how y'all doing? Guys, if you want to say hi, write it down on the chat box. I'll do my best to read it out loud for you guys. I am streaming pretty much everywhere. So bear with me. So we're going to give it a few more minutes. We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see who gets here. Make sure that you set up your charts. We're going to be talking about technical analysis on XRP, which is absolutely killing it right now. We're going to be talking about my XRP trade, which is absolutely bonkers mode all the way to the moon. We're enjoying that 50% on our trade. We're going to be looking at it. I'm going to also be giving you some options when it comes to storing your crypto. We got to get that crypto out of the Ledger device as quick as possible. I'm going to be giving you my top 3 choices. Also, we're going to be looking at the news, what is happening with crypto today. So stick around, hit the like button, subscribe, follow wherever it is that you're watching, and make sure that if you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and read it down in the chat box. I'll read it out loud. Let's see who's in the house today. Joe, my man, Joe. Without Joe, there is no show. Let me tell you something, guys. Joe has been following me for years. He hasn't missed a single class. Joe, you the man, Joe. You the man. You're my number one. You're my number one boo right there. Baby, what's going on? To what? Yeah, my man, I'm streaming on Twitch too. For that subscribe over in Twitch. That follow, not a subscribe. So follow on Twitch. I gotta get familiar with these streaming platforms. They don't have the same lingo, you know. Let me turn these off. So yeah, guys. So how y'all doing? I'm having a great day. I hope you are too. Thank you for that follow, Belfi. You the man. You know how it is. One more minute. I will start the class. Let me ask you something, guys. Do you like this streaming hour better than 4 p.m.? I tried today a little something different today because I know that people get out of work at 5 p.m. So maybe give them a little bit of a show to go through the traffic jam, you know, for a little hour of power. If you enjoy 5 p.m. better, let me know. I'll make it a thing. So let's go. And make sure that everything is handy dandy right now. Remember, guys, you can choose any platform that you want to watch me at. I'm streaming on YouTube. I'm streaming on Twitch, Kick, Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok. I'm all over the place. No reason why you should not be following me and watching the show. Hope you all enjoy. Big shout out for everybody over on the TikTok. TikTok is absolutely my #1 platform. I love TikTok for business growth, obviously. I get thousands of views over in TikTok. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. You guys got nothing else better to do? Of course not. You're here to enjoy this hour of power. Maybe even learn a little something new so you can start making some money. Or lose everything in a single trade. I don't know. Let's find out together. Big shout out to Gabby. Gabby over on Facebook is saying that he likes Robinhood. Fuck that. Guy, let me tell you right now, if you're in Robinhood, get the hell out of Robinhood as quick as possible. Open up a KuCoin account and start trading on KuCoin or BitGet. Not Robinhood. Weren't you here when Robinhood did all the BS back when? Robinhood was one of the first platforms that was doing rug pulls all on everybody. You know what? No, fuck Robinhood. I'm not even going to talk about Robinhood. Hell no. Open up a KuCoin account, my man. Forget about Robinhood. Start trading on KuCoin. Unless you're doing stocks. If you're doing stocks, well, you ain't got that many choices either. So you got to stick with Robinhood. But if I'm going to choose Robinhood, fuck that. I'm going for... Fuck Robinhood. Going for... What's the name of it? Acorn? Was it Acorn? I don't know. I don't do stocks. I don't know. This is a crypto channel. I only do crypto. I don't know nothing about stocks. I don't trade stocks whatsoever. But I know there's Acorn, there's E-Trade, there's so many options. So many options. But Robinhood? Nah. Nah. Gabby over on the Facebook is saying, well, our friend Manuel Cuevas, holy crap, it's been years since I've heard about that guy. It's been years since I've heard about you. Is on that he's making some money. I mean, you can make money on Robinhood, of course, but let's say, for example, the last time that they did a rug pull was when the whole GameStop scenario happened. You remember that the big kahunas were shorting GameStop, and the community got together and started longing and started buying and buying and buying. And what happened? What did Robinhood do? They canceled everybody's transaction. They couldn't take out their funds and they couldn't buy or sell the stock for GameStop. So pretty much what they were doing, they were manipulating the price. They weren't allowing the market to do its thing, and that's a big no-no for me. After that scenario, I never, ever, ever touched Robinhood again. I'm just saying there's better options out there. There's better options. They don't stop you from doing the trades, lower fees, easier transactions. I'm just saying that there's better options out there. Okay? There's better options out there. But you do, boo-boo. You do you, boo-boo. Joe, my man Joe over on YouTube is saying better for me for... Oh, you mean the hour? Yeah, okay. So I'll stick around. I'll be streaming from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m.-ish. I'll try to extend that as much as I can, of course. Maybe do a little hour of power a little longer. Who knows? Let's see how it goes. I hope you take some notes and you enjoy and you learn. Thank you, Gabi, over on Facebook, stopping by. You the man. Get everything ready, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. Big shout out to Nikki over on the TikTok. Nikki, what's up, my man? It's all good, It's all good. You know how it is. Big shout out for everybody on the TikTok. Big shout out to Nikki, my man, Nikki. How y'all doing, guys? How y'all doing? Let me know. Let me know on the chat box. Also, guys, if you want to see any coins, any assets, Forex, stocks, crypto, whatever you want to look at and you want me to do some technical analysis, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do it. I'll do it for you. Let's find out what the market is doing. One more minute, guys. One more minute and we'll start the class. Big shout out to Frank Burke, Mr. Burke over there on YouTube. How you doing, my man? It's all good, good. You know how it is. Big shout out for everyone. We got a big crowd today. That's awesome, guys. Thank you for stopping by. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to be here for me for an hour of power. I appreciate that a million times over. And I will not let you down. Let's find out. Let's see if we can make some money. Nikki over on the TikTok is saying, call me, bro, to catch up. Oh, bro, I don't have a phone. I don't use a phone anymore. You can call me on Discord. You have it on Discord, right? You can call me from Discord. I don't use a phone anymore, my man. I don't answer calls anymore. I rather record them over on the Discord. So if you have a chance, go to the Discord. You can call me from there. All right, guys. Well, thank you for your chats. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for everything. Thank you for stopping by. Let's go. Let's start this class right now. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. I like to start with Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will push and pull all the coins out there. Bitcoin is king. It is what it is. So looking on Bitcoin right now, I like to start with the macro points of view. I want to see what the macro, what the society, what everybody, the entire market is doing as a whole. And I like to look at Bitcoin first in the daily chart. So if you do not have a TradingView account, get a TradingView account. This is the only tool you will ever use to do your technical analysis. It is the only learning curve that you need to know how to use, okay? The only tool, just one tool. If you're gonna invest in yourself in learning how to trade, this is the one and only tool you'll ever need. You don't need anything else. So please get a TradingView account, get the pro plan, pay for it monthly, and let's learn how to trade. So now that you have a TradingView account, I'm looking on Bitcoin. The ticker that I use is XBT, and it's the one from BitMEX. Okay, there we go. This is from last night's analysis. I'm going to keep that right there. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to remove this just to make sure that it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. And first things first, the first thing that I do, what do? I look at the last 3 candles. What are the last 3 candles doing right now? When I'm looking on the screen, the last 3 candles, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 candles that have a T formation. What does that T formation tell you? That means that the market is confused. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Whether it wants to go up, does it want to go down? It doesn't know. So if the market doesn't know, shit, the less I know. So I'm going to listen to the market. I'm going to listen and I'm going to understand the charts. Okay. Looking on the charts right now, if the market is confused, I don't trade it. Okay? Personally, I don't go in on a trade on Bitcoin or any other asset that looks like that. That looks like so many small T candles to the side. Because I just don't know. I don't have market clarity. I don't know if the market is going to go up or it's going to go down. It's fighting it. Both armies, the green army and the red army, they don't know what to do. And if they don't know, I don't know. So I'm not going to trade it. This for me, whenever I see an asset like this, for me, I call it a no trade zone. Okay. So for now, on Bitcoin, I'm going to step back and I'm going to let the market do its thing. It's got to make a choice, whether to the upside or the downside. If it goes to the downside, this is what I would do. I would set a limit buy order. Let's do our handy dandy Fibonacci sequence. Low, high, and waiting for the pullback on the high. And there it is on the Fibonacci. These are my levels right here. You see this yellow line that I have drawn right here? Okay. This is called the fire sale zone. Why is it called the fire sale or the golden zone? Well, imagine, would you rather buy an iPhone when it's 50% off, or do you want to buy the iPhone at all-time highs? No, you want to buy the iPhone at a sale. That's what that zone is. Think of this zone as a sale zone where Bitcoin is 50% off. So you're going to want to start stacking up whenever it reaches that zone right there. It's like an alert. Hey, Bitcoin is on sale. Bitcoin is on sale. Bitcoin is on sale. And when something very valuable is on sale, what do? You catch it, you grab it, you buy it, right? That's what that zone is. So if it was me, if it was up to me and I was trading Bitcoin, I would wait for this asset to come down here, whether here, or anything between that zone right there. Okay? Do with that information as you may, but on Bitcoin alone, I believe that there is going to be a mini pullback down. Okay? Also, that zone is the highest zone of demand. And following the Economics 101, supply and demand, supply is always stagnant at 21 million. Demand is the thing that fluctuates, money flow, whether in or out. I believe that on that zone, there is high demand for that asset. Okay? Supply is stagnant, fixed, 21 million. So that doesn't fluctuate the price. What does is money flow. And when does money come in? In the highest demand zones. That's what that yellow line that I have drawn there is all about. Also, guys, if you don't know how to set up a Fibonacci, on my last live stream, I showed you guys how to set up the live stream. If you want to head over to my YouTube channel, all of my live streams are being recorded and stored in the YouTube channel so you can rewatch them as many times as you want. Or you can go to my Discord. Over on my Discord, you become a member in the Discord and you can ask any questions that you guys have. All the information is there and you have access to me 24 hours a day with the DMs or in the chat box. Inside Discord, you can ask me any question anytime. So if you're not part of my Discord group, you're definitely missing out. Go to the Discord, link on the description below or link on bio, wherever it is that you guys are watching from. Go to my bio, go to my link tree. That's all the links, and there you can find the link for my Discord group. Become part of the Discord group, guys. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Smash the subscribe and follow wherever it is that you're watching. And let's go. So guys, like I said, I would wait for Bitcoin to pull back all the way down to 24,000. I'm going to write it down so you guys take notes, take notes, take notes. 24,644. That is my first limit buy order. What is a limit buy order? A limit buy order is an automatic buy. This is why I said in the beginning of the class, the exchange that I use for all of my trading needs when it comes to just buying the coin is KuCoin.com. The spot trading over on KuCoin is magnificent and instant, and I've never had a problem with KuCoin. Another option, BitGet. BitGet has 0 trading fees on its spot trading. So another great tool, another great exchange is BitGet. Okay, guys. So if set a limit buy order on Bitcoin at 24,644. Oops. I kind of fucked this one up, didn't I? How do I select this? Delete, delete, thank you. And now it's 24,644. The first limit buy order. Second limit buy order on BitCounts, 23,344. There you go. So anything between these two zones, these two price actions, that's where I'm going to start stacking up on Bitcoin. For now, it's a no trade zone. I'm going to allow the market do its thing and then walk back in. You can set an alert in TradingView. You can set an alert. So just in case, you're asleep and you want to be alerted before you start buying in, you can set up an alert on TradingView. Very simple. They have an alert system on the right side. You click on it, you make sure that this is the coin that you want to do your alert in, and just make sure that the price is crossing up or crossing down, whatever it is that you're looking for. There's so many options that you can do with TradingView. You can do a trigger only once, or every single time it triggers that price, you can set an alert for that. And you can set that alert to be sent to your phone, to your email, or your trading bot if you have a trading bot that's linked to your TradingView so that it does the trade automatically. We could talk about that one on a later stream also. We can do trading bots so you guys can do your own trading automatically. But for now, guys, if you guys are going to bet on Bitcoin, I would bet in on a long or start buying Bitcoin when it pulls back down to the 618 on the Fibonacci at 23,344 or 24,644. Hold it all the way to the upside and ride that sucker to the moon. And that, guys, is how I would trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I believe it's going to pull back, maybe some price action to the downside. Let's see how it goes. Moving on to a little bit of Ethereum action. What is Ethereum doing right now? So on Ethereum, same scenario, actually. It kind of looks like it's the same scenario over on Bitcoin. Let me do my Fibonacci. And let's look at the last three candles. What are the last three candles doing on Ethereum? Same scenario. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4, 5, 6. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 T candles. 5 T candles on a row. The market doesn't know what it wants to do. So if the market doesn't know, I know less. So what I'm trying to say is that Ethereum, for now, it's a no trade zone. On the daily. So with that said, step back, let the market do its thing. It'll probably take a week, and let's see where it goes, whether up or down. Whenever we get a clear directional candle that doesn't have a wick on top, doesn't have a wick on the bottom, then we go in on Ethereum. But for now, it's a no-go for me on the daily chart. But if it were to go down to the downside, let's find out our levels. When are we going to go in on Ethereum? Let's do our handy dandy beautiful Fibonacci. And look at that, guys. On the Fibonacci, Ethereum is holding for dear life on the 382 on the Fibonacci, right here at 1,809. That means that is strong support. But what's the problem with support? And the same as resistance. Well, every time support gets tested and tested and tested and tested, like the last 5 candles, that support gets weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. So it might break to the downside or find the mega support that it needs, and the money flow comes in and it shoots to the upside. But the book says that in support, when we're talking about support, when we're talking about resistance, when we're talking about levels, that means that support right there is getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. So it might break to the downside. If it breaks to the downside, then my entry levels for Ethereum is 1,715 and 1,627. Those are my 2 entry level zones for Ethereum. Anything between those 2 zones, if you have the emotional maturity to hold all the way down to 1,627, then better. If it actually holds at the 618, which is the golden ratio on the Fibonacci, at 1,627, that's where you're gonna want to start stacking up on your Ethereum. 1,627. That's when I am going to start stacking up on my Ethereum. Okay. So do with that information as you may, completely up to you, but that is what I am going to be doing. That's my trading plan for Ethereum. 1,715, 1,627, buy it at spot, hold on to it for the foreseeable future for the next bull cycle, which is happening in 2025. Let's go. to the moon for Ethereum and every other coin out there. That is my trading plan for Ethereum. Big shout out to CRPZFX with the fire emoji on YouTube. Big shout out to you, my man. Big shout out to you. And big shout out to everybody here on the TikToks. You guys are amazing. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from watching me from? My man Brickman, how you doing, Brickman? It's all good, good. You know how it is. Thank you for that follow over on TikTok. What's up with you, my man? It's all good. Owie over on TikTok is asking why I can't buy XRP. You mean XRP in the States? Well, I don't know if you've been hiding under a rock, but let me tell you right now, XRP is being sued by the SEC. So with that said, all exchanges in the United States, well, 99% of the exchanges in the United States delisted XRP because of fear that they could get sued by the SEC, which, by the way, they got sued anyway. Crazy. We'll talk about that one later. But it's being delisted in the United States, so no exchange in the that is regulated in the United States is offering XRP. Only a handful. And we'll talk about those if you guys are in the United States and you want a regulated exchange to buy your XRP, which I never ever recommend anything about regulations whatsoever. But if you want it because it makes you feel safer, always remember that FTX was also a regulated exchange in the United States, and look what they did. Nothing is safe in crypto. Use Uphold. Uphold.com is a regulated exchange, and they offer XRP that you can store on your Ledger device, on your cold wallet. Okay. After 25 days of buying the XRP. See, those are the regulation things that I don't understand. Why don't I have access to my funds the moment I need them? Anyway. That's Uphold. Also, you can, if you don't want a regulated exchange, go to KuCoin. KuCoin.com. They are unregulated in the United States, which is something that I prefer. I don't like regulation. They are unregulated and they offer you XRP the moment that you buy it. Okay? So, two sides of a coin: regulated exchange, Uphold; unregulated exchange, KuCoin. And if you don't care about your money, BitGet.com. BitGet has a 0 trading fee that you can use to get your XRP. It won't cost you anything to get XRP over at BitGet. So 3 choices, guys: regulated, unregulated, and the middle zone, BitGet. Uphold, KuCoin, BitGet. Those are your top 3 choices to get XRP. Buy it from there and store it in your cold wallet, which I will give you after the class. What are my choices to get into cold wallets? I used to have a Ledger device, but as you all know, Ledger is crazy. They shot themselves in the foot. I don't know why they did that, but now people can access your private keys if they have your ID. And they can even install software into your Ledger device without you knowing, because it has Bluetooth connectivity, and steal your private keys. So in other words, Ledger devices is no, never again. Get rid of your Ledger device. I am never promoting them ever again. I am never using Ledger ever again. I will give you guys what the best options are after the class, after we do some TA. ZFX over on YouTube. Big shout out to you, my man. He is from Puerto Rico. So am I, brother. Let's go. Puerto Rico in the house. BitGap is legit. Nothing in crypto is legit. Keep that in the back of your head every single time you trade on crypto. Nothing in crypto is legit. Forget about that word. What you can do is to make it harder for people to steal your crypto. That's all you can do. And to do that, you need a Ledger device, cold wallet device. But the moment that you deposit funds into an exchange, that is no longer your funds. They can get up and leave with your money. We've all been victim of that. If you've been with me in crypto since 2015, we've seen it everywhere, and it ain't going nowhere. It's never stopping. So if you're worried that your funds can get stuck, then that means that you are trading with funds that you're not willing to lose. Always trade with funds that you're willing to lose, because they can get up and leave with your funds. Not a single exchange out there, not even Coinbase, not even crypto.com, not even BitGet. So, but I haven't had an issue. I trade in BitGet. I do my leverage trading on BitGet. I buy my coins from BitGet. I sell my coins from BitGet, and I've never had an issue, but it doesn't mean that I won't. Always make sure that funds that you deposit are funds that you are willing to lose, and make sure that once you get the coins, you take them out of BitGet and put it into a cold storage device, whichever you choose. Stick around to, I'm gonna be showing you what are my top 3 choices for a cold wallet device. But my exchange of choice is BitGet. Oh, brother, I read your comment wrong. It's not Bit. You were asking a BitGap. Oh, BitGap is a trading bot, and it is 100% legit. I love BitGap. Absolutely, try it out. Try it out. If you have any questions, go to the Discord. We've all done. Everybody here has done BitGap with me over on the Discord. They all know how good BitGap is for trading automatically. It's a trading bot that does the trades for you. It is wonderful. It's a wonderful bot. The only problem with BitGap is like any other trading bot, it's that it only works on bull cycles. When prices go to the upside, that's when you're gonna have a shit ton of money, and it's gonna be crazy. Okay. But yeah, try it out. Try BitGap, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love BitGap. And if you have any questions, go to the Discord. I'll answer whatever questions you guys have over on the trading bots. CryptoFX is saying, and understood, I am used to regulations in Forex. Yeah. So if you're coming from Forex, then you know all about regulations. That's why I'm on crypto, and I don't do Forex, because I don't want regulations. I don't want others to have hands inside of my pockets dictating what I can and I cannot do with my money. That's just not gonna happen. All right, moving on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. Look at these candles right here. Beautiful candles to the upside. We're going to talk about that. Let me get a little bit of water. I always get excited when I talk about XRP. All right. So XRP, last 3 candles on the daily. What is it doing? Clear direction to the upside. Clear direction to the upside. Simple as that, guys. Look, and you don't need to be good at trading. You just look at this. Look. Rocket ship to the moon, guys. Okay. The last 2 candles are green candles. So what does that tell me? That tells me that there is clear direction to the upside. In other words, the market is excited for some reason. Okay. For some reason, the market thinks that the price of XRP is going to keep going to the upside. With that said, do what you want to do on your trades. My trade on XRP, on everybody who's in the copy trading group, my XRP trade right now is at 57% on the first one and 29% on the second one. No, vice versa. 29% on the first one, 56% on the second one. I hope that you are in my copy trading group and you are enjoying these earnings to the upside, guys. I'm going to be holding this trade all the way up to 70 cents, 80 cents, whatever the price of the top is going to be. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to be holding on to that trade for a long time. And if it pulls back, it is what it is. It can pull back immediately. It can go to 0. Of course it can. Then those are my entry prices to go in on XRP. Right over here. These are my open orders at 33 cents, 35 cents, and 38 cents. Okay. So let's enjoy these trades to the upside, guys. 56%. 56! That is crazy. Why? And how do I know that I did a great trade before it happened? The charts, guys. Everything is in the charts. You just gotta know how to read the charts. It's like a whole other language You just got to get really, really good at it. I have my Fibonacci tool. The Fibonacci is king of all the indicator tools out there. Follow what the Fibonacci is telling you. Fibonacci is a lot smarter than you. If there's one thing I've learned in my life is to always listen to Italians. They know what they're saying. My best friends are from Italy. They know what they're talking about, guys. Fibonacci. What was XRP doing back here? It was finding support on the 618 on the Fibonacci, which is the lower level of the fire sale zone. Whenever an asset finds support in the 618, whatever it is, this also works on Forex, stocks, commodities, and crypto. If an asset finds support in the 618, best believe that it is going to break to the upside. That's when you long. Okay? That's when you long. When it hits the 618, you can set up a limit buy order, or you can set up an automatic trade, or you can do whatever it takes. Just start stacking up on that asset if it finds support in the 618 and bet that it is going to go to the upside. I could be full of shit and this fucker breaks to the downside, and if it does, I have a stop loss just in case it doesn't go my way. But 86% of the time, it goes my way when it hits the 618 on the daily. And there it is, guys. It's the proof is in the pudding. I'm not talking shit. I'm not talking smack. Here's my trade. 58%. It's for a reason. Okay? 58% with very low risk and even lower leverage. So, yeah. Big shout out to Evelise over on the YouTube. How you doing, Evelise? It's all good. Good. You know how it is. She is an official member of the Discord, guys. Do not miss out. Get on the Discord, guys. Get on the Discord. Get these signals. Get these trades before they happen. And if you want to jump in on my trades, make sure you go to the Discord and ask about the copy trading group. You can automatically follow my trades if you are part of my copy trading group. But to do that, go to the Discord. It's completely free. So XRP found support in the 618. So that's rule number one on the Fibonacci. It found support in the 618. What is rule number two? It has to break through the 382 on the Fibonacci. In other words, the price of XRP has to close above 48 cents. Okay? So if a green candle, if a beautiful green candle, just strong to the upside, wicking on top of that white line that I have drawn right there on the Fibonacci, that 382 line, if it closes beyond 48 cents on the daily chart, however long it takes, then rest assured that rule number 3 is going to play out. And that is that it is going to close, it is going to wick on the negative side of the Fibonacci, on the negative 382. So this right here, this is the positive 382, the white line. The green line on top, this one all the way up here, is the negative 382, the negative side, the other side of the equation. So in other words, if it closes above 48 cents, there is a huge probability that it is going to reach 70 cents. Now, the problem with this is that I don't know when that is going to happen. It's impossible to time the market. You're not going to do it unless you have a time machine. If you have a time machine, the hell yeah, we can figure out when. But I don't have one. If you do, let me know. Let's do something. Let's make it happen. I know that there is a high probability that if it closes above 48 cents, it's going to close on 70 cents. 70 cents or 80 cents. Okay, so those are my two limit sell orders. Those are my target prices. Okay, my target prices are above 70 cents. Okay, 70 cents. So how do you play this? Well, one thing, you missed the opportunity when it hit the 618 if you weren't in it when I told you guys to go in it. So now what you have to do is wait for it to close to 48 cents. Okay. If it closes above 48 cents on the daily chart, then you go in on a long or you start stacking up on your XRP. Okay. But if it retraces and it goes back down to the 618, that's when you want to get in on XRP. When it reaches 42 cents, if it does. I don't know if it will. I hope it does, so I get more XRP. Oh, of course. But this is my game plan for XRP. I went in on 41 cents. I'm going to close on 70 cents. But I'm not 100% sure that that is going to play out just yet because it hasn't closed above 48 cents. It has to close above 48 cents. So pray to the gods of crypto that it actually closes above 48 cents because then it'll close at 70. Evelise over on the YouTube is asking, if I were in Puerto Rico, which platform can I use to buy XRP? Where I live, it does not let me. Okay, so Puerto Rico is part of the states. Okay, it is regulated by U.S. federal law. So our banking laws are from the states. It is what it is. We have to follow regulation and there is no getting away from it. But there is a way to trick the system. Okay? The first thing that you're going to need if you live in the States and you don't want to use a regulated exchange, because you can use Uphold. Okay? You can use uphold.com. Let's go to uphold.com. Okay? It's even in Spanish and everything. Look at that. Because I'm in Puerto Rico and I haven't turned on my VPN. Damn it! I forgot to turn on my VPN. You can go to uphold.com, uphold.com, okay, uphold.com. See the logo right here, uphold.com. And you can buy XRP from here. And it is regulated. You can link your bank account, whatever bank account you have in Puerto Rico or in the States, and you can get XRP from there. The only problem with Uphold is that they are regulated and they have rules embedded into the exchange. For example, if you buy XRP today, you have to wait 25 days to get it out of the platform. That is what? You have any idea how long in crypto days is 25 days? That's a whole year in crypto years. So many things can happen in 25 days. They are a great exchange, but there's a better one. But for these, you're going to need a VPN. I use Proton VPN. You're going to need a VPN. What is a VPN? A VPN it's a software that masks your IP address. Okay, so you can sort of hide from anybody knowing where you are in the world. You should be using a VPN either way. It doesn't matter what you do, whether you're in crypto or anything else. Always have a VPN installed in your computer and always have it turned on. Okay, security is highly important if you are online, whatever it is you're doing. Whether you're trading, whether you're selling on Amazon, whether you're managing an Airbnb empire, whether you are whatever type of business, if you are online, protect your identity by masking your IP address. Get a VPN. They all work. My preferred one is Proton VPN, or if you really want to get fancy, Molvad. Now, Molvad, I love Molvad because Molvad, you can use crypto to get the VPN, to pay for their services, and they're super cheap. So let's say, for example, if I really want to mask my identity, I really want to hide from anybody looking for me on the internet, I would get Monero, which is XMR token, and use Monero to pay for my Molvad, and activate Molvad on all of my devices. You can activate it everywhere, your computer, your phone, your laptop, your iPad, whatever device. Molvad is a great alternative to getting, using your crypto to get a VPN. That way, nobody really knows who you are. Proton VPN, same thing, but I pay with my credit card, and that can be traced, you know? So if you really want to be anonymous, use Monero, get Molvad VPN, and pay VPN services from Molvad in using your crypto, your Monero. So once you have a VPN, whichever you choose, you can go ahead and get Proton VPN. It's easier for you if you don't have a crypto. Once you install a VPN on your computer and you turn it on, make sure that you turn it on into a country that isn't in the United States. If you turn on your VPN to Puerto Rico, it's not going to work. If you turn on your VPN to Miami, it's not going to work. Turn your VPN to any other country but the United States. Whatever, whichever, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, any country in the world that isn't in the United States. Once you turn it on, then you go here. bitget.com. Links for everything I'm talking about today on my link tree. Okay? You go to bitget.com and you open up an account. Remember, this exchange is not regulated in the United States, meaning that you don't have to send your KYC. You don't have to send your ID. You don't have to send your social security. You don't have to send your photo. You don't have to do none of that. Okay? Actually, it's preferable that you don't do that because they're not regulated in the United States. They're not supposed to offer their services in the United States. What I'm doing is that I'm tricking the system into thinking that I'm not in the United States. Okay? You do you, boo-boo. If you want to do something like that, that's highly advanced. I don't recommend it, but I don't care about my money. I can lose it either way. So you open up a BitGet account. Okay, you open up a BitGet account and you go to your deposits. You go to your deposits and you make sure over here where it says deposit, you deposit funds into your BitGet account. Now, where are you going to get the funds from? Well, you're going to need a Coinbase account. You go to Coinbase.com and you open up an account with Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is the most regulated exchange in the United States. Yeah, they're also going through a whole fiasco with the SEC, and it is what it is. It's part of the game plan, guys. If you guys don't see the light at the end of the tunnel, knowing that this is all being puppeteers pulling the strings on all of us, then you got another thing coming for you. Open up a Coinbase account, link your bank account to Coinbase, and you're going to purchase USDT, USD Tether. Okay. Evelise is asking, I can deposit from my USA funds. Yes, in Coinbase. So open up a Coinbase account, Coinbase.com, link your bank account to Coinbase. You're gonna have to send your ID, you have to send your social security, you have to send a picture of yourself, you have to comply with the KYC because they are regulated in the United States, and the United States wants a hand in everything you do, and it is what it is. So open up a Coinbase account, get it verified by sending your information, and once the information is verified, then link your bank account, then deposit cash into Coinbase from your bank account, purchase USD Tether, take that USD Tether, send it to bitget.com. It says deposit USD Tether. Make sure that it says Ethereum ERC20 because on Coinbase, you're buying USD Tether from the Ethereum network automatically. Make sure that it says ERC20 right here. And this is your deposit address right here. You can actually do this from your Coinbase wallet from your phone and scan the QR code from your wallet phone. Scan the QR code from Coinbase and it'll automatically populate the address so you don't have to copy paste it, and it might screw things up. So this is your deposit address. This is mine, but you'll have your own. Make sure that you copy paste this address to Coinbase so that you can send your USD Tether to that address in BitGet. Okay? And make sure that it says spot. Okay? Make sure that it says spot. If you put it into USDTM, it's going to get lost. You don't know, you're not gonna know what to do. If you put it on P2P, it's gonna get lost. You don't know what it's gonna do. Go to spot. So make sure that it's ticked to spot. Then scan the QR code from your Coinbase account, send USD Tether. It is going to arrive in minutes. It could be seconds depending on how the network is behaving that day. Once you have your USD Tether in BitGet, then you're going to go into up here where it says trade, and one of them says spot trading. Spot trading. Okay. It's going to open up a menu bar on the side and choose XRP USDT. Click on that. And this is the trading platform to buy and sell XRP in BitGet. See now, right now, what you're looking on the screen right here, these are all my sell orders for all the XRP that I am holding on BitGet. See all this list right here? These are 1,000 XRP sell orders for every cent, 48 cents, 49, 50, 51. What's that called? That's called dollar cost averaging. I am dollar cost averaging on the way up to take profits on the way up because I don't know what the top is going to be. I have a speculation that it's going to be 70 cents, but I know me, I'm not gonna hold all the way to 70 cents. I'm gonna take my profits on the way up. So what do I do here? I set limit sell orders. All of these are sell orders with a little amount of XRP for each and every one of those zones up there. For every single cent. But that's me, that's my trading plan. Okay. What you want to do is go to the right side over here. Let me see if I can move this so you guys can see it a little bit better on the capture. All right, there you go. Okay, now you can see it on the stream. Over here on the right side, let me make sure that TikTok can see it also. Window capture. There you go, TikTok. There you go. Okay. Over here on the right side, this zone right here, where it says market, you click on market. Okay. Make sure that it says spot, market, spot, market. Okay. 100% of your portfolio, this bar down here, you drag it all the way to the right side because you just deposited USD Tether into BitGet and you want to use that USD Tether to buy XRP. You're not using it for anything else. Take that little bar, drag it to the right side so it's 100% of all your portfolio to buy XRP, and you hit the big green button that says buy XRP. The moment you hit that buy button that says XRP, it is going to automatically buy XRP at the best market price wherever it is. Okay? You don't have to worry about setting a limit buy order. You are market buying. You are a market taker. So you're taking the best price available, which is pretty close to the price that it is right now. I heard a thing and I don't know what it was. Oh, big shout out over on the Kick. Thank you for that subscribe. I get so many alerts. I don't even know what is happening. So many platforms. Hey, Tato, how you doing, Tato? Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch account. What's up, my man? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just giving people a little bit of hour of power over here, teaching people how to trade using BitGet. Because I don't want you to miss out, you know? I do not want people to miss out on this price action to the upside. So guys, you hit on the big green button that says buy XRP and you buy XRP automatically. Now, once you have your XRP, get it out of the exchange as quickly as possible. Tato over on the Twitch is asking, not much. How you doing? a super duper good, man. Enjoying these price actions to the upside. I can't say I'm not having a good day. I'm having a good day within all the BS that's happening around me. It's fun to have a little sparks of positivity also, you know. And my trade at 55%, that's a nice spark on my life, you know. So you bought XRP on BitGet. Once you buy it, you have to get it out of the exchange. You have to get it out of the exchange. Never, ever, ever leave any funds on any exchange. That's rule number one. Rule number one, never leave funds on any exchanges, especially unregulated ones. The regulated are bad, are just as bad. Look at FTX. FTX was regulated and they ran away with our funds. So unregulated is just a higher risk. So once you have it, once you buy it from BitGet, get it out of the exchange. How do you get it out of the exchange? Well, up here, there's a little wallet icon to the right side. You click on it, it's gonna drop down and it says withdraw. Okay, withdraw. Click on that. Okay. Once it opens, oh, let me fix the stream so you guys can see it. Actually, you know what? There, I already have a scene with all of the things. Come on, Diego. I'm hungry. Okay, guys, work with me here. Work with me. I'm hungry. I'm starving. Let me drink some water. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let me move it over here on the TikTok. Window capture. Boom. There. There we go. All right. So yeah, you hit the withdraw button. Make sure that you select your XRP, okay, from the drop down, because that's the coin that you want to get out of the platform. Okay. The chain is XRP. They don't have another chain, so it's always going to default to XRP. Beautiful. Then you take your cold storage device, whichever device you want, except for Ledger. Fuck Ledger. This Ledger, I'm gonna break this shit. Can't break it. I gotta get it out of this first. Get a cold wallet device, whichever you want. The one that I recommend now, the one that I'm gonna be trying out, I don't have one on me. I haven't tried it out just yet, but I'm gonna give you my top 3 choices for cold storage wallets that are not Ledger, and they don't do what Ledger is doing, okay? There is no way to hack those other devices. This one has become incredibly easy to hack. My number one pick for a cold storage device is this one right here. Decent, okay? It even has a fingerprint scanner. How baller is that? Get a decent device. It's $139. It's a little bit on the pricey side. It's gonna hurt me. I'm gonna get one, and when it gets in the mail, I will set it up, and then I will show you guys if it actually works. I know that it does. I have a shit ton of friends who have the Decent wallet, and it works beautifully to them. Actually, I'm taking their advice, and I'm gonna get one myself, because for them it works. Well, it'll work for me, and it'll work for you. So get a Decent wallet, okay? Add to cart, get it, and you set up your wallet to get XRP. You're going to get your XRP wallet address from your Decent wallet. Take that XRP address and paste it here into your withdraw address, okay? Put it there, and if it includes a tag, remember that XRP, if you're sending or receiving funds from an exchange to an exchange, the way that they fix it to your account is through a tag. So if you're going to send your XRP from point A to point B in an exchange, you need to put a tag. But if it's a cold storage wallet to cold storage wallet, or exchange to cold storage wallet, you don't need the tag. But if it has a tag, make sure that you copy and paste it here. You hit next and it withdraw. I think BitGet, since I've been using BitGet for more than a year now, they completely trust me. I've never had an issue with withdrawing funds from BitGet. But I think, like when I started it years ago, there was a 24-hour hold on new accounts. I don't know if that is still today like that. I don't know. Let me know. Have you guys tried BitGet? Does it still have that 24-hour hold on the funds? But hey, I prefer 24 hours versus 25 days in uphold. Over on the TikTok, big shout out to Fred2494. Fred is asking, why does it ask for a code to remove XRP from BitGet to Ledger Nano X? What's the code? What do you mean by the code? When you withdraw funds from your BitGet accounts, if you have any security features, like for example, a two-factor authenticator, it's going to ask for the two-factor authenticator. Freddie is asking, what's the tag number for XRP? Okay, you mean the tag. Okay, so from what exchange or wallet are you going to send your XRP? Is it going to be to an exchange or is it going to be to a cold storage wallet? If it's going to be to an exchange, it's going to ask for a tag. If it's to your cold storage wallet, it should not ask for a tag. BitGet to Ledger Nano X. Okay, so you're sending. Yeah, that's right. In BitGet, if you're sending it to your Ledger Nano X, it's going to ask for the tag. You need to set one up on your Ledger. I don't have my phone anymore. Your Ledger Nano app on your phone. When you open up the Ledger app on your phone, set up a tag for your wallet address. Okay, go to the XRP your Ledger device, and from your Ledger device, go to your XRP account and set up a tag. You have to set up a tag for your XRP wallet address. I think you can do that from your phone, or you can do it from the software on your computer. You can set up a tag, or you can use XRP Toolkit. You can use the XRP Ledger to do a tag for your device. I forgot about that part. Yeah, that's right. In BitGet, it asks for the tag. Now, if you want to bypass the whole tag thing for your Ledger Nano device, you can bypass it, but there's a little trick that you need to do, okay? So take note on what I'm about to say, because it's a little finicky, okay? You got to be very, very on the money to make sure that you know what you're doing. From BitGet, instead of sending it to your Ledger device, you're going to send it to KuCoin. Give me a second, guys, while I don't have my phone. Okay, that was a big mistake getting rid of the fucking phone. Go to KuCoin.com. Open up an account on KuCoin if you don't already have one. Okay, and you're going to deposit XRP to KuCoin. Why KuCoin? Because KuCoin doesn't ask for a tag when it wants to send it to your Ledger Nano device. BitGet sends it to your Ledger device through a tag, and you can't get rid of it. But in KuCoin, it doesn't give you that option. So a better option instead of BitGet would be KuCoin. So keep that in mind when buying XRP. You can follow the same thing that we did in BitGet, but in KuCoin. It's pretty much the same thing. So send your funds from BitGet to KuCoin using the tag from KuCoin. Obviously, it's exchange to exchange. When it's exchange to exchange, it's going to ask for a tag. So make sure that you include the tag from KuCoin, from your KuCoin account. Deposit your XRP to KuCoin, and then from KuCoin, you send it to your Ledger device because it won't ask for a tag. Was that clear? Was that clear enough? I know it's a little finicky and it's just one added extra step, but it works. I've done it 1,000 times. So. Brother, the fees on XRP are less than 1 cent. Freddie is asking, what about the fees to send it to another exchange? Bro, it's less than a cent. You're not even gonna notice when you're sending XRP from point A to point B. The fees are ridiculously low on XRP, which is why I love XRP. It makes sense. Why would I want to pay $200 on gas fees on Ethereum to send $10 when I can send $1 million in XRP and pay 1 cent? It just makes sense, you know? It just makes a shit ton of sense. So yeah, Freddie, send your XRP to KuCoin, and from KuCoin, send it to your Ledger device. Freddie's asking, why is there a tag on XRP drives? On XRP drives me mad. I know, it's just part of the system, part of the security system that they have, because exchanges use tag to identify your account. They have one XRP account, but millions of tags. Okay? When you, for example, I'm going to deposit XRP in BitGet. I'm going to hit deposit, and I'm going to deposit XRP. Okay, confirm. I understand. Blah blah blah. You see this address right here? The address that the exchange gives you is their address for XRP, not yours. Their address. The tag, that is your XRP address. That's how they know to deposit that XRP to your account. That's what the tag is all about, to identify you as that account holder. Let's say, for example, another use case for XRP when it comes to tags. Let's say that you run a business, okay? And you pay your employees with XRP. You're not going to have one XRP address per every employee. You're going to have one XRP address and a tag for every XRP, for every employee that you have. That way you can send your funds without it sending it from one address to another. It stays in the same address, but you can pay your employees without actually sending XRP out of the wallet. You keep it in the same wallet. So it's cheaper. That's why there is a tag for your XRP address. It's just to confirm that you are the owner of that account. Simple as that. It can be a little bit frustrating because if you send your funds to that address and it doesn't have the tag, you lost the funds and there is no way to identify. Maybe at their mercy, they can identify by the amount that you sent and match it to the transaction ID in the XRP chain. But no, that's just ridiculous. And that, guys, was my rant on how to get XRP in the United States and put it into your cold storage wallet, which for me is going to be from now on the Decent wallet. I do have, my second choice is the EliPal wallet. I do have an EliPal wallet somewhere in my office. I don't know where I'll look for it. I bought it because at the time I was trying out Ledger versus EliPal, and Ledger won. EliPal is a great wallet. It's just a little bit hard to understand. It is pretty much bulletproof. I ran over mine with the car just to test it when I bought it years ago. And it's not a scratch on it. Not a scratch on it. So it's indestructible. I'm not gonna shoot it to see if it's bulletproof, but it's close enough. It's close enough. And they cost pretty much the same thing, $139 for the Decent and the Titan wallet. They're both great wallets. One has a fingerprint scanner, which is an added bonus to security. This one doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, but it works the exact same way. You have a code, you can enter it, and it links to your phone through Bluetooth. It's a great wallet. It's a great wallet. If I find it, I will show you guys how to use it. But if not, I'll just order another one and try them out. Do like a comparison stream. My third and final choice to get a cold storage wallet is the Trezor. Okay, the Trezor. I've never tried the Trezor. I don't have friends that tried a Trezor, so I don't know how this one is going to perform. But I will get one, try it out, and I will let you guys know. But for now, I do know that the Decent wallet works beautifully. If you guys are only going to hold XRP, you're just planning to hold on to XRP, then the Zoom wallet on your phone is the best option. The Zoom wallet on your phone, you can download it to your iPhone or your Android device, open up a XRP address in it, and it works beautifully. If you don't want to spend the money on a cold storage device, because you can't, everybody has their own lifestyle, then if you don't want to spend the money there, get a free account on Zoom on your phone. Download the app, and there you can store. You have a non-custodial wallet on your phone. Now, the dangers of that is you can lose your phone. Obviously, somebody can steal your phone, whatever. But if you write down the 24 seed phrase, you got nothing to worry about because you can get a new phone and restore your address in your new phone. You never lost your funds. Gabby over on the YouTubes. Dímelo, Diego. What's up, Gabby? It's all good or good. You know how it is, my man. What's up with you? What are you up to, my man? Is everything okay? Everything good? I know that you're in the copy trade. I know that you are enjoying the profits, bro. Ride that sucker all the way up to 70 cents, guys. Oh my God, it's such a beautiful trade. Look, 57%, guys. It's just ridiculous. So that, guys, was my rant on how to get XRP. If you are in the United States, get a VPN, get an account on KuCoin or BigCat, buy it from there, and send it into your Decent device or your Zoom wallet on your phone. That's what I'm gonna do. See, guys, looking on the news right now, let's go to coindex.com and look at the news. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Ledger continues to defend the recovery system. See, so the problem with the system is that it was always there. Yeah, you can opt in to not using the Ledger recovery device. The Ledger recovery, you don't have to use it. But the point is that it was always there. It's always there. See, anybody can now has the motivation to create a software that they can install through Bluetooth because the Ledger device has a Bluetooth integrated into it. It can install malicious software to the Ledger device to extract your private keys. That makes no sense. That makes no sense to me. Why the hell did they even, why did they implement that? They say you don't have to use it, but the point is that, okay, I don't have to use it, but somebody else could because it's implemented into the device. Now, I'm not a master hacker that I can make a software, but I know that people are. Some people can have the capacity, have the time, have the motivation to do something like that. Do you have any idea how many millions of dollars they can steal from the Ledger devices alone? That's what I mean, guys. I am no longer promoting ledger devices whatsoever. It don't matter how much they want to defend nah. Fuck ledger. I'm moving away. I even took it out of my link tree. I'm not promoting it ever again. And I have so many ledger devices, guys. I got like 12 ledger devices all around everywhere. I trusted them. I trusted them, and no, they completely screwed us over. That is just not right. So I'm moving out of Ledger, guys, and I'm going into Decent. Let's see if I can use this to back up my XRP, my XRP holdings. And if you're asking, well, can I use the same private keys to back up this one? You can, but why the hell would you want to do that? Don't do that. Get rid of those private keys. Get rid of that account after you send your funds to another cold storage wallet with new keys. You know? Gabby over on the YouTubes is asking everything good, bro. You know how it is. Man, you know how it is, man. I'm just trying to be a spark of hope and happiness to the world, trying to make this money, you know? Man, I am starving, guys. I'm gonna get something to eat. I think I can go for sushi today. What do you think? Should I go for sushi today? I am starving, bro. And that, guys, are the wallets. That is why I am moving away from Ledger. Always remember, guys, that if you have any questions whatsoever, go to my Discord, link on my description, on my profile, wherever it is that you're watching. Go to the Discord and you can ask any questions that you want on the chat box over on Discord. It's free. You're missing out. Don't miss out, guys. I give out signals. I give out trades. I give out information, and I'm there every day. Be part of the Discord, guys. You are not going to regret it. Another great news for Ripple. I'm telling you, guys, we are right around the corner on XRP, guys. We are right around the corner. We just need to hold on a little bit. It's just a little bit more. We're right there, guys. Right there. We just need to strongly hold on for dear life. Ripple starts platform for central banks to issue their CBDCs. The firm will also allocate a real estate tokenization product as part of a Hong Kong monetary authority. In other words, Hong Kong is partnering with Ripple, guys, and they're going to be using the Ripple ledger, the XRP ledger, to transact. They are going to use XRP for their liquidity. Come on, guys. If that doesn't make you fucking bullish on XRP, I don't know what else will, guys. Come on, it's right around the corner. Ripple is starting a central bank digital currency platform which allows central banks, governments, and financial institutions to issue their own digital currency. Using Ripple's platform, governments and institutions can manage and customize the entire life cycle of the CBDC, which includes minting, distribution, redemption, and token burning. Financial institutions will also be able to manage and participate in inter-institutional settlements and distribution functions using the CBDC. Central banks can issue both wholesale and retail CBDCs, which can make offline transactions as well. Offline transactions, guys. What? The platform is an enhanced version of Ripple's private ledger, which started in 2021 for issuing CBDCs. The platform is powered by the XRP ledger. Boom! It don't get any better than that, guys. If it uses the XRP ledger, it's going to use XRP. Fireworks, guys. Ripple will show the use case for its platform under the Hong Kong pilot, a program run by the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, the de facto central bank. It is also working with Taiwan's Fubon Bank to build a product for real estate asset tokenization and equity distribution under the EHKD pilot. Bullish time for XRP, guys. It just, guys, I think this is why the prices are just spiking. Not only are we going to get that settlement right around the corner, I know that that shit is happening right around the corner. Hong Kong is using it as a CBDC, the CBDC, to offer their CBDC using the XRP Ledger device, the XRP Ledger. The Hinman documents are going to be unsealed. My favorite judge in this world, Puerto Rican, by the way, Judge Torres, just saying it out loud, you never know. She literally told the SEC that it will not seal the Hinman documents, guys. It will not happen. The SEC has to provide and open those documents for the entire world to see. The XRP community, myself included, are going to go through those documents like if my life depended on it. I am going to find every nook and cranny, all the information. I will read it myself, and I will even have my lawyers read it for me, because I don't understand nothing about no damn laws. But we're gonna find out. We are going to read it. You know what the SEC could do? They could just drop the whole fucking case, because they don't want the Hinman documents to be read. They don't want that to happen. It's detrimental for their case. Why the hell would they want to extend it even more? So we got 3 humongous news driving this XRP price to the upside. But we need that settlement, guys. That settlement is happening right around the corner, which is why I'm betting to the upside on XRP, and all of my holdings are on XRP. To the moon, guys, on XRP, guys. All right, everybody. That's all I got for you today. Thank you for stopping by. Had a lot of fun reading out your comments in all the platforms out there. Thank you for all the subscribes and all the support and all the follow and all the comments and everything else. I'm going to go get something to eat because I am starving. I'm thinking about going for some sushi action. Got that shrimp tempura. Shrimp tempura. Who knows? Maybe. Anybody wants some shrimp tempura? I want some shrimp tempura. And maybe a little bit of an acai bowl. Ooh, oh my God, I'm starving. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Had a lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again on the next one. I will be streaming tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Starting to stream every single day, guys, on all the platforms at the same time. I'm having a whole lot of fun, and I hope you are too. See you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. on the dot. Take care, guys. God bless. Have a good one. I will see you tomorrow. To the moon, guys.